Hi there, my lovelies. Today we're going to make the most amazing sandwich in the whole wide world. We're going to make our vegan sandwich. I know she's behind me, isn't she? She's hungry. It's about time for her to eat. So we're going to make a vegan sandwich with mozzarella cheese, the mozzarella cheese that we made a while ago, and the best, the best. Hello? Right. I bet she's gonna come back. So we are going to make the best sandwich in your life with the best roasted tomato sauce, and you're going to go crazy over it, I promise. You'll see, you tell me later. Now, we're going to start by making the sauce, which is, guys, come on, this tomato sauce. Remember when we made the tomato sauce a while ago and then I told you, let's make it with store-bought San Marzano tomato in a can, because those tomatoes, they are actually perfect for a sauce because they have a lot of meat, not so many seeds, and the skin is also very flavorful. As you can see here, look how many seeds a regular tomato have and the San Marzano tomato. So one is very good for salads or tarts or tartelettes or things like that. But this one, the San Marzano tomato, is good for a sauce. Are roasted, you see how beautiful and golden, and you see the Maillard effect around it. Oh, question, who knows what a Maillard effect is? If you know, let me know in the comments. We have talked about it countless times. So now we're going to blend it. We're going to blend it into submission. It's going to be creamy and thick and delicious, and we're going to put it in our special sandwich. What are we going to use on this sandwich? We are going to use an eggplant. I know, I hear you. I don't like eggplant. I mean, you think you don't. Try on this recipe and then you let me know. Because if this sandwich can save the eggplant reputation for you, then nothing can. I'm sorry, then you're done. First, you're going to get a very firm eggplant, okay? And now we're going to peel it, because we're going to bread it. So for us to bread it, if you peel it, it's easier, because then the breadcrumbs are going to glue all over, including the sides, and that's important. All right, and now we're going to salt the eggplant, because it needs to release the water, because it has eggplants, they have a lot of water inside, and also because eggplants can be quite bitter. So if you salt it and let it rest, then we're going to get rid of the bitterness. minutes have passed, and now we're going to bread the eggplant, easy as always. I mean, you can use either the panko breadcrumbs that I taught you guys how to make. Click over here if you want to do it. It's like ridiculously easy, and then you're not gonna complain anymore because, oh, Chef Jana, but where I live they don't have panko. Now they do. Isn't it just like, oh, delicious. You can change the arugula for watercress. Spinach, not so much, because the reason I have chosen arugula is because it's bitter. And on this sandwich, we're building blocks of flavors. You have the sweetness and a little bit of the savoriness from the tomato sauce, and then we have the softness of the cheese, and the balsamic vinegar adds a little bit of a tang and a little bit more sugar to bring everything together. And the watercress or the arugula, they also complement all the flavors, so try not to skip that part, and I promise you, you are not going to regret. So this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. This is one of my favorite sandwiches in the whole universe, like I said before. That's why I brought it to you. So if you make it, tag me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram. And for exact measurements and the printable recipe on my website, as always. And give me a thumbs up, and I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye-bye.